So I have to monitor for a while. I may have to pause. I don't want this video to be too long. It's not yet. Okay, it has pulled through. Okay, so that's first trade on time index. You can see the same signal.
Kindly confirm that trade has been purchased.
Coming up on my app. But because I'm the one trading directly, I can get them before they show up. So that's $20 profit. It is not magic. Okay, it is not magic. I just want to
check
encourage
if trade
you.
Is on for volatility index.
That's my robot also picking trades and talking about it. I just want to encourage you so that you understand that it's possible. But you see, I've been able to do this with $10, $20. Now I'm doing with 100,000 now. 100,000 to make 10,000, then another. There is still likely to be signal. In fact, there are signal coming up on 25 index and also on 100. I mean on 10. So I'm trying to see which one is going to be. I think 25 is going to be more. So let me see. Let's see how it goes. Okay, 25 it is. Okay, I think this is 25. Oh, it has to refresh. Okay, this is 25. If I'm to trade 25, it's up for now. Okay, it's almost there. In fact, it's already it's gone past. It's green, so I can't enter yet. I don't enter trades on green. It's more than 40 seconds. I cannot trade this. Okay, I have to pause. I enter on green bar. Okay, I entered. All this recording, they are always very distracting. I don't like my entry, really. I've won my trade, but I really don't like my entry because of recording. I'm trying to press play so that I can also catch the recording or catch the so that you can get to see me make my entry. And I don't think I'll be able to continue just recording. I've been able to prove over time that this works, and you can see this is me making profits, right? This guy is not going to be able to show you the profit, but I've made withdrawals. Okay, I like trading and making profits, and you can see dates every day. I've been able to record this for some days and show you. You can see from $100, $150. In fact, I think I started from $100, $150, then $200. Right now, this trade that is moving, if this guy ain't big, it can still be a trade. And I think all you need to do is just pick 2 trades in a day and you're good. I won't admonish anyone. The plan is okay. Just a minute, let me show you the plan. So today I make $42.74. Just a minute. Okay, I believe I've been able to show you this thing when we started. Okay, I've been able to record almost is getting about 3 weeks now. Okay, so that you see, when we started with $100, I was trading with $100 and we were able to make another $100. Then I started trading also with $150 and I've been able to make over $150. Now I've started trading with 200, and already if I had today's zone, which is I think it's about 44 plus, I will check afterwards. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's say that's $44.21. and I traded 25 index. Now, I believe with this, I've been able to show you, to prove to you, it's possible for you to even trade and not experience loss. Okay, it's very possible. The same trade I had now, one of my students even caught the trade and posted it on the group. Okay, the same trade. Just a minute. Maybe I can show this. Okay, you can see this was a special group we had at the beginning of the year. Was it this year? No, I think it was last year. I'm not quite sure. I think last year or so. Or I think it's early this year. I'm not quite sure. But I had a free training, and you can see the same trade I had. You can see the person had the same trade, 206 and 20, and the trades were like 2 tick, 25 index, the same setup. Okay, the same setup, and I believe he traded the signal almost the same. So 10 profit for both sides, and I had to let him know. I said, you caught good trades, had some same trades. Watch the recording on YouTube. I'll post it on YouTube. So I need you to understand that this thing is possible, and mind you, there are some of them, they've been making tremendous progress. You can see like this guy that is trading with $50 right now. Initially was trading with $1, $2, $5, $15. Start growing the same way, and you can see their result posting. They are winning their result, and you will see half tick, 3 tick, 4 tick. Now, because I always do recording, I'm trying to capture the moment. Sometimes I have to click on play first before I click on purchase. So there's always fractions of delay. It was a good signal, and it was signals within is within my it's smooth trades. So I need you to understand, so far this is like making $160 or $160. With one more trade, I'm already at 200. By the time I do the trade tomorrow, I'm at 200, and that should let you know how much have I made so far for the month. Okay, I've already made 248,000 naira. Okay, and we are just in 17th of this month. Okay, we are just in 17th of this month, and I have made over 48,000 naira. Now, I'm not giving my money to anybody. I'm not looking for anybody. I'm not bringing in anybody in. I'm not preaching to anybody. All I need to do is to master the process of how to trade. I'm showing you this because my recording is on landscape. So I want you to see and understand. Is it possible? Mind you, I had $300. I need you to understand, I had $300. So I'm still trading with profits. The profits I've made so far is what I'm trading with. So I'm not risking anything. I'm only risking the profits to make more profits. That way my mind is at rest. That way I can think and reason properly. Now I'm able to make this gradually. Every week you can see from making $20. It may look small to you, but it's not small. Consistency is key. And as I've done this, I'm done for the day. You cannot make 20,000 naira very early hours of the day and still be looking for, let me make more, let me make this. See, already I have excellent result because I've made more than 50%. The target actually is to make $100, and I've made over 161. I need you to understand all together these are profits, $435. Slow but steady. I need you to understand. Slow, it's very slow, and it's very steady. So you may be thinking, can't I be doing 5 trades, 10 trades? You don't have a plan. You are not trading your plan. Get a plan first, then trade the plan. Is going to be very easy. It's going to be a lot easier for you to be making $40 every day, $50 every day, $100 every day. I need you to understand where this is going. Let me show you next month's plan. Okay, next month's plan, I'm going to be staking $300. So I want to be making $60 every day. Till where am I going? I need you to understand. I'm trading the plan. See where I'm going. I'm going to where I can be making $300 every day consistently. $300 every day. Can I trade and be making $300 every day? Now, the money I need as capital or whatever, I'm going to make it from profit. I've done this. I do this every year. So I need you to understand. I just felt like, okay, probably maybe I should just carry you guys along, make you see that you don't have to really trade 10 trades, 20 trades. Master the process. Once you master the process, then it will be a lot easier. Even if you don't know how to generate the signal, I have free signal service. Subscribe to it, practice it, use it for a month. A lot of you are looking for quick money. It's not about quick money. This is a business. I treat this as a business. As I make money for the week, the profit I make, I reinvest it back into my business. If I make profit again, I reinvest it back again. Then, not that I'm not collecting. Okay, for instance, I need you to see this month. Am I going to get paid? Yes. I want you to see. I hope you're seeing. This is my income, 196,000. So from the 200 plus, I'm going to collect 100 plus. I'm going to put back more money from the profit I made, put it back. I'm going to put back. So I need you to understand, it's important. It's slow and steady. You see here, it's telling me I can still do better. Why? Because I have not finished the week. By the time I'm done with the remaining week, already I have exceeded the target. The target is just to make probably 50%, 60% of my stake, which is like $150. I've already made $400. So I need you to understand, this one is not pre-projection. Look at it, 100, 170 something, 160 is 400. So you need to understand, and I have records. You keep records. This template is available. Check the link in the description of my video. The template is available on my group, on my channel. You'll be able to see it, and you'll be able to also see more videos you can go through. So I don't want to bore you, but you want to get this started. Also check in the link of my subscription, link of my YouTube channel in the description. Check the link. You will see the link for the app where you can create an account and you'll be receiving signal you can trade with. It's very simple, and the subscription, I've subsidized the subscription, is now just 2,000 to 3,000 naira. So you can also be doing this for yourself. So as regard the copy trader, you guys, you've seen it. So what we intend to achieve is achievable, is doable. So guys, slow, steady does it, and you make all things happen. So God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.